Ever wondered where great marketing ideas come from? You're in the right place. Welcome to Tevdora Marketing Wisdom Unlocked.
You accept something free, and something shifts.
This is the principle of reciprocity. When someone gives genuine value, we naturally want to give back.
Trials, guides, value first, no pressure. But doesn't this become manipulative if people know it's a marketing tactic?
Genuine, intent-aligned, frictionless, transparent.
This very video is reciprocity in action. We share insights freely, trusting that you'll remember who helped you grow.
Ready to master marketing? Your journey begins right here.
Subscribe now and let's unlock your marketing potential.